Hi kids! Are you ready for another reading practice? Yes? Let's begin! Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Let's repeat. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Great reading! Now, listen carefully and let's read slowly. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Very good. Amazing job so far, kids. Are you enjoying our reading practice? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning videos. Let's continue reading. Ne, na, nu, ni, no. Very good. Ni, nu, na, no, ne. Awesome. Let's try a different rotation. No, nu, ne, na, ni. Let's keep going. Nu, no, ni, ne, na. Wow! You're a rock star! Now, let's read again. Fast. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Ne, na, nu, ni, no. Mi, nu, na, no, ne. No, nu, ne, na, ni. Nu, no, ni, ne, na. Good job! Let's go back to the start, kids. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Again. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Great job, kids! Thank you for reading with me today. Keep practicing and keep learning every day. See you in the next episode.